Hey guys, good morning. We got another absolutely gorgeous day here in Myrtle Beach. It's early, getting a good start. It's going to be an amazing day. We've got a lot of appointments booked. My team has been talking with a lot of people. We're helping many people to move to the area, to retire to the area, and it's going to be a fantastic day. We have a couple of people who are investors and they're getting out of the stock market, taking a little bit of money off the table, and they're going to be investing and diversifying. We have a couple people who are going to be looking at investors wise. They just want to diversify into our area. They feel like our area is poised for growth because, you know, it's the beach, it's the ocean. There's a lot of activity here, and we are one of the fastest growing areas in the nation. Our home prices and condo prices and all have gone up over the past couple of years, as it has everywhere, but you know, people migrate to the beach, and I think that a lot of people are looking at it now and they see it's an opportunity. So it's going to be an amazing day. We're helping a lot of people to make their dreams come true, and we're just helping as many people as we can. So if we haven't chatted before, go ahead and pick up the phone. Look forward to talking to you soon. My team has helped thousands of people to move here, to retire here, and to invest here with properties. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, hope you're having a fantastic day. It's Jerry with Jerry Pinkas, Real Estate Experts. Hey, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, or go ahead and subscribe to any of these videos. We're here to help. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.